Good afternoon. Xavier back again with another video. And before I get started with this rant, I want to apologize for not doing a rant on Thursday talking about Wednesday's game between the Rockets and the Nets. And I forgot to do a rant on Thursday celebrating the 37th birthday of three-time NBA champion and future Hall of Famer Dwayne Wade. But today's rant is going to be a little bit different. But don't worry, I am going to give my thoughts about Wednesday night's game between the Rockets and the Nets, as well as my thoughts about tonight's game between the Rockets and the Lakers tomorrow. But today, I want to do something a little bit different. This rant is going to be called How to Fix an iPhone That Won't Charge. Because I had that problem for the past 2-3 weeks. And after watching a rant called Fixing an iPhone That Won't Charge, I decided to come on here and do this rant and give y'all tips on how to fix your iPhone if it won't charge. And I also want to give a shout out to this YouTuber named Hoo Hoblin for giving me the idea to do this rant on how to fix your iPhone if it won't charge. So, the first thing you need to do is make sure that your USB plug is plugged to this thing right here. To this cord. To this plug or whatever. And if your iPhone won't charge up because your charge porter is stuffed with crumbs, wood, or whatever, then make sure you get a Q-tip and you cut it with the scissors. Don't cut all of it, just cut half of it, and it should look like this. Then you use that same Q-tip that you just cut with scissors. Use this Q-tip, put it in your charger porter to clean out all the crumbs, dust, or whatever. Don't use a toothpick because the wood will get stuck into the metal. So make sure you use a Q-tip to put it in your charger porter and clean it out. And if your phone still won't charge up, then get some alcohol and put a little bit, not a lot, just put a little bit on the Q-tip. Then put the Q-tip back into your charger porter so you can clean it. And once that's taken care of, then your iPhone should start charging up again. Yep. That's exactly how you fix an iPhone if it won't charge. So, if you didn't get the tips that I just gave you, pay close attention because I'm only going to do this one more time. Make sure that your USB plug is plugged into this thing. And if your iPhone won't start charging because it's filled with dust, wood, crumbs, or whatever, get a Q-tip, cut half of it with scissors, then use this Q-tip to clean out your charger porter. And if it still won't charge up, get a little bit of alcohol, put it on the Q-tip, then use the Q-tip to clean your charger porter. And your iPhone should start charging again. See? I'm so glad I had to drop on here and do this rant for you guys that are having problems of charging your phone. All you got to do is just use a Q-tip, put a little bit of alcohol on it, clean out your charger porter if it has crumbs or wood or whatever, and it should start charging again. I want to give another shout out once again to Hoo Hoblin for letting me watch his rant on how to fix your iPhone if it won't charge. And I'm so glad that I did not decide to go to T-Mobile or Apple Store to get it fixed, trying to spend my money on get my charger porter fixed. So it's best if I figure how to fix my own iPhone with my own two hands. So that's pretty much going to wrap up my rant on how to fix an iPhone that won't charge. If you have done this before, let me know in the comments below if you had a problem of your iPhone not charging up and you did the tips that I just gave you on how to fix your iPhone. If it doesn't work, let me know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you like my content, click on the notification bell for any video that I upload, and I may come back here and do another rant, reviewing one of my favorite episodes of Ed, and Eddie in honor of the show's 20th anniversary. If not, then I'll catch y'all tomorrow about my thoughts of Wednesday night's game between the Rockets and the Nets, and tonight's game between the Rockets and the Lakers. Don't follow your dreams, chase them. Peace.